What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Riding Dad channel, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. Behind me, I didn't sell the bike. You could see it. See, these are the bars. Oh, I may have given it away a little bit. All right, let me stand. If you caught it, you caught it. If you didn't, you didn't. This, you guys know, you clicked it. This is the big reveal of the final form, well, the final form for this year of my bike. Powder coated, changed a bunch of different stuff. The changes of the different stuff you'll see in a different video. This is the main. This video is mainly for what I did for powder coating it. That's hence why you're pointed way up. You can't see the bike. I'm going to take it out to this little park area, and it deserves a proper, nice reveal. So let's roll the intro. And then the next time you guys will come back, you'll see the bike in all of its glory.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a thing that you found.
All right, so you guys saw it. Obviously, yes, this is the powder coat reveal. My leather pros are on it. That's a video for a different day. You guys will see that in a little bit. You guys will see a bunch of stuff on this, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Turn on post notifications, like this video. Let me know what you think of the blue. The blue, by the way, is called Playboy Blue, and it's from Prismatic Powders. Don't copy me. I don't care if you copy me or not. I love this blue. I saw this blue a few different times and I kept coming back to it. I went for it, come back to it. And I was like, maybe I want to do red. Maybe I want to do this, that, or whatever. And I just kept going back to the blue no matter what. So, blue. Blue it is. Playboy Blue. I love the color scheme. Like I said, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you are subscribed, like I already said. Check out the playlist for the Lowrider S to see everything that I have done to it and will do it to it. Check out my Instagram and my TikTok. Beyond that, thank you guys for watching. Without you guys watching, I would have never been inspired to do cool, crazy stuff like this to this bike. I probably would have just continued riding it and not done too much aesthetic to it. So thank you guys very much. I'll see you on the next one. And until then, ride safe, have fun, Dad.